Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If your YouTube volume is not working, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my step to fix the problem. As you can see here, my YouTube sound is not working. Firstly, close your YouTube app completely and close all the app. Now again open YouTube and check the problem. If the problem persists, then next is go to the setting. Now scroll down and go to the sound and vibration and check here the media volume is. After doing this, again check the problem. If the problem is persist, then next is a follow the next step.
ऑनलाइन स्टोर बनाना चाहते हैं?
Then
गंदा
again
पर डे को 10 ईमेल सेंड करके लास्ट महीने में इसने 30
then again long press on the YouTube icon and go to the app info. Now click on the storage. Now once clear cache and one clears storage. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then next is restart your device once again. By this way, your problem may be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share it with them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.